Assalamu alaikum to all. My name is Javeria Asif. I am a final year student doing BS in Computer Science from PAFE. While my second partner name is Javeria Hassan. She is also a final year student. She is also doing BS in Computer Science from PAFE. First of all, we would like to thank the Almighty Allah for everything He blessed us with and without, whom no endeavor, including this one, could have been successful. Then all the teachers, institute that have always supported us and helped us to reach this level. Our most humble regards to the director of COCIS, Sir Khalid Khan, our program manager, Sir Kashif Bashir, and Sir Suhail Imran, and the outstanding FYP committee member, Sir Usman Khan, who guided us throughout the journey. Adding to the long list, we are grateful to have Sir Ehtisham Khan as our supervisor. Let us discuss the problem statement of book exchange application. There are a lot of people who have old Oxford books, and there are people who cannot afford to have it. There are some people who cannot afford to buy these books due to lack of money. We are providing them with a platform that will help them to exchange their books in half price. Our application was supposed to be a bridge or connector between the buyer and the seller. Well, online book exchange system is an Android application which can be used to exchange books within a community. This system is developed with the purpose of helping users to sell or buy books. Any user can register to search for a book and obtain the owner's information and can contact them via using the same application. The user can also put in a request online to buy or sell a book. This system is mainly intended to help the students to exchange their course book within a particular area. Online book exchange system is a platform where students can sell or buy old books in half price. And this is a major feature of book exchange application, where the seller is also getting benefit and the buyer is also getting benefit. Well, these are the functional features from the proposal of book exchange applications that include login sign up, admin side, student side, which we call customer side or client side, exchange of old books, the main feature, bookseller recommendation system is another main feature, maintain database, crawler, chat options, email notification, email verification, user data management, student discussion forum is also another important feature of book exchange application, where any student can post their queries related to assignment and quizzes or coding. Or in FYP2, we have implemented a student problem analyzer using student queries data, sentiment analysis, AI-based recommender system. Well, this is the Panaflex of Book Exchange application. This is basically the logo of Book Exchange application, and this is the abstract idea that we have put on our Panaflex. This is the image that is conveying the message of the application, that is any user can buy or sell their books. Uh, a user can buy a book in half price, and anyone can sell their old books by using our application. Well, the key features, as I have read them in proposal, the key features are book exchange, discussion forum, educational institute, thought of the day, sentiment analysis, AI-based recommendation system, bookseller recommendation system. These are the diagrams which we have drawn in our FYP report. These are the use case diagram we have implemented for both admin and user side. These are the activity diagrams implemented for both admin and user side. There are different applications for customer side and admin side. That's why we have implemented different diagrams for customer and admin side. Then we have the flow diagram of the application. Then we have collaboration diagram of user and admin side. Then we have a state chart diagram. Then we have class diagram, and in the end we have use case narration, and those use case narration really help us to understand the conditions which we have applied on our final year project. These conditions really help us in making test cases. These all are the report, pamphlets, and proposal.
The functional features are of application. This is a form where you can register yourself first, and you are going to log in. You have to first verify your email. This application allow only authentic email to join this forum. I have this authentic email, so I can log in now. Okay, after login, you have four basically features which you can use. In book exchange system, what you can do, you can sell your own book, you can buy others book using chat option. You can directly talk with seller like in OLX, just to talk to the seller, or you can check your chats. You can check your ads, what books. In For You section, the application will give you recommendation on behalf of your interest. In best seller section, you will get the list of best sellers on behalf of the average rating. Okay, if you view book and you go into the review section, what you will see there is the sentiment result, and what the sentiment result is really is. On behalf of your review, the machine learning algorithm, which is a logistic regression, will predict that either your sentiment is positive or negative. On behalf of that result, it will display the emoji instead of text. Okay, in discussion forum section, what we are doing the work of text mining, like a project problem title and problem description. The application will split this text into tokens, and then it will match this with the popular terms, like what topic is going currently in high in frequency in our application. And you can answer other queries also. In thought of the day, you can see just motivational images to boost up your motivation. And in educational institute, this all the result of the Python crawler. This all data is scrapping from the websites and displaying in our application. The next part which we have is the admin panel. Your email and what admin can check the result that what posts are pending and accepted and rejected. Code of our user site. Android Studio with Java, and for implementing machine learning algorithms, we use Python. And to integrate Python with Android Studio, we use the Jacopy library. These all are the Java files in our application, which and this on the side. It's just a little glimpse of our code. With the machine learning code, using this function, we are predicting your sentiment that either they are positive or they are negative. Thank you so much.